Welcome to Enirman. Where technology meets construction to create a seamless and efficient project management experience. We are a mobile app ecosystem that simplifies site-to-office, client, and vendor communication for better collaboration on your construction projects. Whether you are managing small or medium residential or commercial projects, Enirman ensures project transparency, predictability, and efficiency. Now, let's talk about our client app. It helps clients who are building their projects stay connected with the office and construction site through real-time project updates. Clients can access financial updates, all project-related documents, and even raise issues through the app. Plus, they can track the physical progress of their project and experience a hassle-free home building journey no matter where they are in the world. Our engineer app facilitates communication and coordination between site engineers, project supervisors, and the office team. Engineers can send daily progress updates, manage labor attendance, access project drawings and documents, send purchase orders, manage petty cash, and track and update project progress. Quality is maintained through checklists that align with every milestone and task. Through our vendor app, vendors working with the company can receive orders from the office, view orders on a calendar, update bills and ledgers, and keep the office informed about the delivery progress. All these apps are managed and controlled through our web admin portal by the main office. This portal has role-based access control and oversees every project reports, dashboard, financial status, physical progress, materials, labor, and overall construction management. With Enirman, companies can save 5 to 10% on operational cost while ensuring top-notch construction quality. Imagine a construction environment where everyone is aligned, delays are minimized, costs are controlled, and quality is maximized. With Enirman, this vision becomes reality. Contact us to experience a sustainable and profitable construction business where everything is managed seamlessly. Enirman, building the future of construction today.